Hi, my name is Tanner Cooper, and this is my MEMS5001 optimization project progress report on the optimization of the St. Louis Cardinals 2019 lineup. Basically, a little review of my problems. I'm looking at the lineup of the St. Louis Cardinals, specifically Matt Carpenter and Paul Goldschmidt, and how to model them, how to model a game, and how to maximize the number of runs scored by the St. Louis Cardinals' current lineup. To do this, I have to model a player, and to model a player, I basically broke it down into each outcome based on a plate appearance and was able to eliminate some and then able to figure out what statistics I'll need to hopefully predict what they'll do each time they come to the plate based on their past averages. And so to do this, to put this into the code, this is the code I've got so far. If you'll see on the left there, it's 1 inning right now is where I'm at. Basically, it's when number of outs are less than 3. I look at the probability matrix and see what each current batter does, and it's a bunch of if-else statements based on the different outcomes. And, if you look at the single right here, you can see that if someone's on third base, they're going to score. Everyone else moves up 1 base based on this probability matrix and this current batter at the plate, and then the whole lineup. So kind of where I'm at is right there. I've created the code for 1 inning. I need to find a way to cite it. I've determined my outcome matrix, got the stats, and inputted new outcomes into my code. I'm working on getting the probability line to work. Right now it's not quite reading every probability accurately, but once it's able to do that, I can pretty easily scale it up to 9 innings. Once I get it to 9 innings, it's about scaling it to a whole season, which will be a little bit tougher, as MATLAB will probably take a while to run all those loops and if statements. But then I need to look at different lineups and how to compare the results, and finally I need to find a way to test every possible lineup, which could become a big issue. As lineups, there's a lot of possible combinations, especially when I optional at the end there try to add some bench players into the mix. So we'll see how it goes.